Hey there, if you want to fix this video make content graphic and violent content on Instagram, then this video is for you. Actually, this called the sensitive content on Instagram, and that can contain some the like graphic that are violent and can be disturbing. So if you want to avoid this and in Instagram, then you just need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Actually, if you find this type of problem that you are watching your instead of showing you the sensitive content continuously, then it is actually a type of glitch on Instagram. So it will be solved as soon as the community or the Instagram representatives will solve it. So you will get this problem solved, this glitch, so don't worry about that. So you just need to go to the settings and activity and go to content preferences for now to make to reduce the sensitive content amount on your reels feed. So if you want to reduce the sensitive content amount on your reels feed, then you can just tap on this sensitive content controls, and from here you just need to select this less option here. So it will reduce the sensitive content that they are showing you on the reels feed. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.